Are you passionate about fitness and ready to elevate your career? Imagine having the expertise to train professional athletes, design innovative fitness programs, and become a sought-after strength and conditioning coach. With the Level 4 Strength and Conditioning Coach certification, this dream can become a reality. This advanced certification is designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to excel in the field of strength and conditioning. Whether you're a fitness professional looking to specialize or an aspiring coach ready to make your mark in the industry, this certification will give you the competitive edge you need. From mastering advanced training techniques to understanding sports nutrition and injury prevention, this comprehensive program covers it all. Don't miss out on the opportunity to level up your career and become a respected authority in the world of strength and conditioning. Take the first step towards success today and join the ranks of elite coaches with a Level 4 Strength and Conditioning Coach certification. A Level 4 Strength and Conditioning Coach certification is the highest level of certification available in the field of strength and conditioning. This certification is recognized globally and is highly respected in the fitness industry. It is a testament to your expertise and dedication to the profession. In the highly competitive fitness industry, certification is crucial for career advancement. It demonstrates your commitment to professional development and your ability to meet industry standards. Certification also provides a framework for continued learning and helps you stay up to date with the latest research and trends in the field. Obtaining a Level 4 Strength and Conditioning Coach certification comes with numerous benefits that can significantly impact your career. Firstly, it opens up a world of opportunities. As a Level 4 coach, you will be qualified to work with professional athletes, sports teams, and high-performance training facilities. This can lead to exciting and rewarding career prospects, both nationally and internationally. To obtain a Level 4 Strength and Conditioning Coach certification, certain requirements must be met. Firstly, you must possess a valid Level 3 certification in strength and conditioning or a related field. This ensures that you have a solid foundation of knowledge and skills in the field. Additionally, you must have a certain level of practical experience working with clients or athletes. Earning a Level 4 Strength and Conditioning Coach certification opens up a wide range of career prospects and opportunities. As a Level 4 coach, you will be qualified to work with professional sports teams, elite athletes, and high-performance training facilities. You may also find employment in universities, fitness centers, and private training studios. Continuing education and professional development are essential for Level 4 strength and conditioning coaches to stay at the forefront of the industry. The field of strength and conditioning is constantly evolving, with new research and techniques emerging regularly. To maintain your certification and enhance your skills, it is important to engage in ongoing learning opportunities. Preparing for the Level 4 Strength and Conditioning Coach certification exam requires careful planning and dedication. Here are some tips to help you succeed. Familiarize yourself with the exam format and content. Review the relevant textbooks and resources. Practice with sample questions and mock exams. Seek guidance from experienced professionals. Create a study schedule and stick to it. Utilize practical experience. Take care of your physical and mental well-being. Earning a Level 4 Strength and Conditioning Coach certification is a significant achievement that can propel your fitness career to new heights. This advanced certification equips you with the expertise and knowledge needed to excel in the field of strength and conditioning. So, don't wait any longer. Take the first step towards success today and join the ranks of elite coaches with a Level 4 Strength and Conditioning Coach certification. Your dream career awaits.